This is a Derma Pen and I use it to microneedle my scalp to regrow my hair. It works by creating tiny microchannels in your skin that stimulate the dermal papilla and help treatments like Minoxidil reach the follicles. The Derma Pen stands out to be the best option compared to the Derma Roller. Why? Because it doesn't tear the skin and allows you to adjust the needle size to fit your needs. So today I'm bringing you a step-by-step guide on how to use the Derma Pen. We will cover the best needle size, directions of use, and even a bonus tip to help you get the best hair regrowth results in the shortest possible time. Step 1. Choose the right Derma Pen. This might seem like the simplest step, but trust me, this is where most people make mistakes. After testing nearly every microneedling device out there, I have learned what works the best. When choosing a Derma Pen, prioritize one with adjustable speed settings and replaceable needle cartridges. Why? Cheap options often don't come with adjustable speed settings to customize the intensity depending on your comfort and the area you are treating. This means you will need to go over the same area more than once, which is inconvenient and unnecessary for your skin. Other options like the Derma Stamp, which I have spoken positively about in the past, also have adjustable needle sizes, which is great and very important. But their needles are fixed, meaning they cannot be changed. After a while you will need to buy a new Derma Stamp instead of simply replacing the cartridges on a Derma Pen, which is easier and more hygienic. There is no need of bacteria build-up, since every new cartridge comes in a sterile packaging ready to be used. I recommend using them only once for safety and best results. There's a link to a Derma Pen I recommend down in the description if you want to check it out. Step 2. Set the correct needle size. One of the best features of the Derma Pen is that you can adjust the needle size to fit your needs. According to a 2021 study, the optimal needle size for hair regrowth is 0.6 millimeters. Here's what to do. Open a new cartridge for your Derma Pen. Set the Derma Pen to 0.6 millimeters. If you want to experiment with longer needle sizes, you can, but never go beyond 1.5 millimeters. Going over that size could harm your scalp instead of helping it. Step 3. Use the Derma Pen correctly. Choose the area you want to treat and slightly moisten it for convenience. This is optional. For me, I focus on my hairline because that's where my hair loss is most noticeable. Here's how to use the Derma Pen. Gently press the Derma Pen onto the area you want to treat. Move it up and down 6 to 7 times, no more than that. Then lift the pen and repeat the same motion from left to right. 6 to 7 times. It's really not necessary to do it more than that, since repeatedly needling the same spot can cause unnecessary stress to the skin. Move on to the next area until all the necessary spots are covered. Important tip: you don't need to treat those areas with healthy hair. Focus only on the spots where you want to encourage hair regrowth. Bonus tip: combine microneedling with Minoxidil to speed up results. This combination worked wonders for me, but here's the catch. Minoxidil only works if you use it consistently every single day. Here's how to schedule it. Use the Derma Pen once a week. For example, every Sunday. Skip Minoxidil on microneedling days, since it contains alcohols that can irritate the skin. Use Minoxidil every other day of the week. If you're not ready to commit to Minoxidil, that's completely fine. You can still see great results with the Derma Pen alone. As mentioned before, if you're looking to try one, I've linked down in the description the one I personally recommend. What about you? Have you tried microneedling for hair regrowth? I would love to hear about your results, so drop a comment and let us know how it's going. Until next time, I wish you a happy hair journey. Bye.